Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Duolingo app. First, you have to make sure you have the Duolingo app. If you don't have it, you can get it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once you have installed it, just simply open it up. After that, you have to click on Get Started and you will be asked a few questions. The reason for this question is that it will get your information and will give you data based on your preferences. So first you have to choose which language you would like to learn. There are limited number of languages, so you have to choose and then explain where did you get to know about Duolingo. So whatever language you select, you will be asked questions related to it. Like it is asking how much Spanish do you know? So choose one option that you relate with, and why are you learning Spanish? Just simply answer it. And what will be the daily goal of learning, like how many minutes you're committed to do. And after that you have to choose what you can achieve in 3 months. So it will ask you question based on your answer you're giving and the language you have selected. So once you have done it, after that it will give you these tests. So what it will do, it will give you a word, like it will speak, you have to listen it up and then you have to select what this word means in English.
El hombre.
So first you have to simply guess any one of these, like select any option, and if it is correct it will show you correct, otherwise you can just simply repeat it. If you want to listen it again, then click on this speaker icon.
El hombre.
As we have listened it, if you want to listen it again, click onto it and it will speak. Then you can just simply choose the answer based on what you think is the correct one. And after that it says great job, that means your guess is right. Then it will go to the next question. Then it will give you a new word, then you have to play it, listen it, and then choose based on your choice.
El niño, el
Once you
niño.
have listened the word, now you have to again guess it. If you go wrong, then don't worry, it will take you to this next question, because this is a practice and your first time listening. So if you make any mistake or wrong answer, don't worry, it will ask you again or may give you some new stuff to learn. After that, it will give you two words
El
instead of
hombre.
one word. So now you have to select two words against these words. Again, if you make mistake, then don't worry, it will give you some new stuff. So you can just simply try again and again. If you have selected the right option, then it will show you correct. Otherwise, it can say incorrect and will give you some more stuff. Here it shows you a picture and gives you some words. So these words are related to this image. If you click onto the word, it will give you some
Niña.
guess, like three options.
Una.
So from these options, you will get the idea what it could be. Like there's a small girl and a woman. So it could be a
Mujer.
girl or maybe a woman like this. So you can choose something like this, and after that it will show you correct if you go correct. Otherwise it say incorrect, but you don't have to worry, you can just simply do it once again. So throughout the process, the Duolingo will give you some new words that you will practice, and it will ask you something related to it. And once you keep going, it will keep giving you some new words or maybe go for some tenses. So you just have to simply practice it and you will learn that language that you have selected. So that's how you can use Duolingo app. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.